Due to the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRS backlog of tax filings is starting to diminish. Hey everyone, it's CPA Dan Hodges, and I have some news for you. The IRS has reported that due to the new funding from the Inflation Reduction Act, they have been making some pretty decent progress on catching up all the yet unprocessed IRS tax returns. Now, if you think back, these have been piling up, many of them since times of COVID. Without the necessary funding and manpower, IRS's hands have kind of been tied and they just haven't been able to, deal with that inventory. So they just piled them up somewhere in a warehouse. Hopefully they're not shredding them or burning them. But like I say, with the advent of the Inflation Reduction Act funding, IRS now has the resources and the money to pour a little gas on the fire, so to speak. Now, quoting from the Accounting Today article linked in description, the report released Friday by the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration found the IRS significantly reduced the number of unprocessed tax returns and other kinds of tax account work last year, and many of the functions in its tax processing centers have returned and gone back to pre-pandemic levels. I guess on the one hand, this is good because IRS is actually able to do their job and process your tax filings and hopefully get you your refund if you were due one on the appropriate timetable before it dissipates due to the statute of limitations. And after all, because of the Inflation Reduction Act, they now have the funding and the manpower to do so. Again, in the article linked, you can also learn all the details if you care to educate yourself and the expected dates where you could hope to hear back on the process. Hopefully, for all of you that have been wondering, this sheds a little light on where is my 2019 and 2020 tax refund. For daily IRS updates, tax tips, and everything small business, mash that like button, turn on that notification bell, share with your friends or your business associates. You got comments? Drop them down below. And of course, follow for more. And if you or someone you know are looking to save thousands of dollars every year on your taxes, head over to myfavoritecpa.com to learn the right and legal way to save the maximum amount of tax.